Meanwhile, the Department of Migrant Workers, or DMW, assured the public that it is closely monitoring the situation of Filipinos in Thailand and Myanmar following the powerful 7.7 magnitude earthquake. According to the DMW, efforts are ongoing to locate 4 missing Filipinos in Mandalay, Myanmar, in coordination with the Department of Foreign Affairs, or DFA. The agency is also in contact with the families of affected overseas Filipino workers in the Philippines, as well as the labor attaché in Bangkok, Thailand, and local authorities in Myanmar.
We are obviously coordinating with Ambassador Melicor and the Philippine Embassy in Doha, and of course dito sa Pilipinas, DFA Central Office. Tinutulungan nandun yung Migrant Workers Office Labor Attaché natin na abogado, na siya namang ding nangangasiwa in terms of yung pagtulong sa kanila. Meron lang sapat na panahon para makita sila ng face-to-face at yan pa ang hinihintay natin at this stage. Pero rest assured, we are providing assistance to them in accordance with the law. At the same time, pinapaalalahanan natin yung mga kababayan natin na mag-ingat at sumunod sa host country laws and policies, processes and protocols, mga kaugalian doon.